Hey everyone, welcome back to Bug No Jutsu. In today's video, we're going to solve an interesting database problem from LeetCode titled, Find Customer Referee. This problem is a great example for beginners and intermediate coders who want to improve their skills in SQL and Pandas, especially when working with filtering conditions, handling null values, and combining multiple conditions together. We'll start by fully understanding the problem, go through an example step by step, and then carefully analyze both the SQL query and the equivalent Pandas solution. By the end of this video, you'll gain clear insights into how SQL and Pandas handle data filtering, and why they're so powerful in data analysis tasks. Here's what the problem says. We are given a table called customer. Each customer has a unique ID, their name, the ID of the customer who referred them. Some customers may not have been referred by anyone. In that case, the referral information is missing, which means it's null. Now we need to find the names of all customers who were not referred by the customer with ID equal to 2. This means we want to exclude customers who were specifically referred by customer 2 and include everyone else, both those who were referred by other customers and those who were not referred at all. Let's carefully walk through an example to clarify this. Imagine we have several customers. Among them, some customers don't have any referral, meaning they joined on their own. We need to include them. Some customers were referred by customer with ID 2. These we need to exclude. Some customers were referred by others. We keep these too. In this example, customers like Alex and Mark were referred by customer 2. So we should exclude them from our results. Customers like Will, Jane, Bill, and Zach were either referred by others or were not referred at all. We should include their names in the result. By following this filtering logic, we'll correctly get the expected output with the right set of customer names. Now let's break down the SQL solution to this problem. In SQL, we solve this by using the select statement to fetch the names of the customers who satisfy our conditions. We use the where clause to filter the rows based on two conditions. First, we check whether the referee underscore ID is not equal to 2. This ensures we exclude customers who were referred by customer 2. Second, we check whether the referee underscore ID is null. This takes care of the customers who don't have any referee at all. They must also be included in the result. We connect these two conditions using the OR operator, because we want to include customers satisfying either one of them. Either they were not referred by customer 2, or they weren't referred by anyone. In simple terms, this SQL query says, give me all customers who were not referred by customer 2, or who have no referee. Now let's understand how to solve the same problem using Pandas in Python. In Pandas, we typically work with data frames, which are similar to tables in SQL. To apply the same logic in Pandas, first, we filter the rows where the referee underscore ID is not equal to 2. Then we also check for missing values in the referee underscore ID column using the .isna function. This function is equivalent to checking for null in SQL. Again, we combine these two conditions with an OR operation, meaning we keep rows where either the referee underscore ID is not equal to 2, or where it is missing. Finally, we select only the name column from the filtered data frame to produce the required output. What's great about Pandas here is that the logic closely mirrors SQL, but gives you more flexibility to further process or visualize the data if needed. Here's the key insight from this problem. Both SQL and Pandas solutions are teaching us the same fundamental lesson: how to filter data based on specific conditions, while properly handling missing or null values. This problem is also a reminder that we must be very careful when dealing with nulls in queries, because in many databases and in Pandas, null or nan values don't behave like regular numbers or strings. We need to explicitly check for them. Additionally, you can see how similar the logic between SQL and Pandas can be. They both rely on filtering conditions, though the syntax is a bit different. This is an essential skill for anyone working in data analysis, data science, or back-end development. And that wraps up this problem. I hope this video helped you clearly understand how to solve filtering problems in both SQL and Pandas. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like on the video. Subscribe to Bug No Jutsu for more coding tutorials and problem-solving walkthroughs. Comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like me to cover similar problems. Thanks for watching, and remember, I'll see you in the next one.